we're talking about birds and what God has given birds. They have a natural instinct to know how to build their nest. And Matthew's going to tell us about a bird in Australia.
Sure. There's a little bird in Australia, and it's little and it built a big humongous nest, and it's really wide. Whenever the baby birds hatch, they just go off themselves. They build their own nest. They know how to build it, and they know what to, and they know to eat. They know how to get it and catch it, and find it. And there's that bird is like, it can make the babies are like so amazing because they know how to do all the stuff their mom and dad does, and it's a miracle by God.
It is. Ryan, did you want to add something?
Well, I think their habit pound, their nest is 80 pounds, and they can make a miracle.
What else do they do? Do you remember?
Well, they just wander off themselves, and God made them like that. So,
Is that it?
Yeah.
Thank you.